Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the DeWalt right angle flexible shaft bit holder. This flexible bit attachment is impact tool ready. You see it has a fitting on the end that will just click right in to your impact driver and hold itself in place. Then with the right angle bit holder, it's got this quick release that you just pull back and the bit pops out, so you can change the bits out depending on what you're going to use. But the real secret sauce in this is that you can spin it and angle it, and you just have this thin profile of the head to allow you to get into tight spaces where a regular cordless drill or impact driver cannot fit. It's a super useful tool for those very specific applications you may have for installation or disassembly of products. Coming up next, my video on 3 ways to use an angle grinder.